Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iCloud Mail not working on iPhone. iCloud Mail is an email service provided by Apple. User can use accounts with the iCloud or Gmail domain besides the sending and receiving email. It allows user to sync emails, contact, and other data. There are various reasons for iCloud Mail not working on the iPhone. Whatever the issue may be, we will provide you with effective ways to fix the problem of iCloud Mail not working on your iPhone. So let's get start the video. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So the first step is turn on iCloud Mail or turn it off in the iCloud. Simply go to your settings, then click on your Apple ID username, click on iCloud, click on iCloud Mail, simply turn it off and turn it on again to see if it start working. And if it's still not working, then move on to the next step. The next step is free up the storage of your iCloud. So if you have full storage in your iCloud, try to download all the photos from the iCloud, try to free up the space and see if it start working. And if it's still not working, then the next step would be enable fetch new data. Simply go to your iPhone settings, click on mail, click on accounts, click on iCloud, click on fetch new data and make sure that you turn on it and select automatically. Then move on to the next step. The next step is sign out your Apple ID and sign in again. Simply go to your settings and then click on your Apple ID in the top and click on sign out and log in your Apple ID again to see if it start working. And if it's still not working, then the next step would be perform a reset. Simply restart your iPhone. A simple restart can sometimes fix your problem. Simply press the volume up and power button at the same time and you will see this slide to power off. Simply restart your iPhone. Once you have done this, it should start working. And if it's still not working, then you can try to contact Apple team to get the professional help. So hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.